HSGQ Group Hong Kong Company Limited with production base in Shenzhen is a world's first-class access network, industrial internet solution providers and all optical network equipment manufacturers. It is also the national high-tech enterprise and SMEs in specialized new sectors. Products cover access network GPON, EPON, XGPON, XGSPON, OLT, GPON, EPON, XGPON, XGSPON, ONU, media converter, in the field of fiber optic communication transmission equipment, such as core switches, SFP optical modules and Wi-Fi routers. Products are widely used in Ethernet, FTTH, large telecommunications, communications, public safety monitoring and other fields. Provide customers with HSGQ cloud, management, FTTR, all optical network equipment and other optical communication services. R&D and product quality are the core competitiveness of HSGQ. The company introduced world-class high-precision production and testing equipment, customer-oriented, keep up with market trends, launch the latest products, and according to the individual request of customers provide OEM, ODM and CKD, SKD full of solutions. The whole line of products has 3C, CE, Anatel, RO HS and other qualification certificates. HSGQ sales products are independent research and development production, ownership complete independent intellectual property rights, obtain the authoritative test certification of many countries. Customer service is a continuous development force of HSGQ. The company has built complete sales, service, technical support system to provide fast and powerful after-sales technical support and face-to-face professional support services.